Welcome back, and we are going to briefly speak about why bespoke data visualizations in Tableau. A lot of people ask me why I write tutorials on bespoke data visualizations. And to be honest, my answer is actually very consistent. I answer that through exploring and writing about building bespoke data visualizations. I am improving my technical ability in Tableau. And for me, and more importantly, removing my own personal limits of what I can achieve with the tool. However, from a career perspective, learning more about the art of the possible has been a career maker for me. I work in Tableau as a consultant, I sell Tableau as a solution, and more often than not, I am presenting or put in a position where I'm going against a different technology, where one of the key criteria is, can you replicate this? I'm pretty sure most of you may or may not have been there, but when asked, can you do something? Answering yes or no is normally one of the two answers. However, for me, I can answer potentially, and I can explain how it can possibly be done. And this has been a key and a game changer in my career, as I often go against other technologies who can or have out-of-the-box abilities to build bespoke stuff. For me, it was also to explore, and hopefully you will too, advanced concepts, and also revisit mathematics that you may not have touched upon since you was in school. Items like trigonometry, like areas of a chart, X and Y coordinates, playing around with sine, cosine, and other mathematical concepts. Hell, using pi. And also, this all sums up to one thing, which is to be more competitive. If you work as a consultant, it will give you a competitive edge. If you are looking for a job in Tableau, to really showcase yourself using bespoke visualizations does help. However, it's not the be all and end all. It's just one additional tool in your toolkit. And this is why I am a big advocate of bespoke data visualizations. They're not perfect for every occasion, but they can add value. They can push you. They can show you the art of the possible. They will make you look into advanced concepts that you may not use on a regular basis. And I do personally believe they will make you more competitive. If you look at some of the amazing Tableau work that's on Tableau Public, a lot of the amazing stuff that puts your jaw on the floor, they're mainly bespoke. They will show you something that you've never seen before, and hopefully throughout this course we will learn the concepts behind building bespoke data visualizations and also why you should. In any case, we are moving towards the end of the introduction. There's a few more videos left, but once you reach the second section, I'm pretty sure you'll get far more excited. But until then, see you at the next video.